Every year, plant breeders introduce new flowering shrubs designed to bloom longer, grow stronger, and perform better in real gardens. These new cultivars often bring improved colors, more compact habits, and better resilience to heat or cold. In this video, we're looking at 7 exciting flowering shrub cultivars that gardeners will start seeing in garden centers in 2026. Number 1. Spirea Double Play Doozie. Spirea Double Play Doozie is a vibrant flowering shrub that stands out for its bold magenta-red blooms and colorful foliage. In spring, the plant emerges with reddish new leaves that gradually deepen into rich green as the season progresses. Soon after, clusters of bright flowers appear across the plant, creating a lively display that immediately energizes the garden. What makes this cultivar particularly appealing is its ability to rebloom repeatedly throughout the growing season. Unlike many traditional spireas that flower once, Double Play Doozie continues producing blooms without needing constant pruning. It's also highly tolerant of heat and cold, making it a dependable shrub for a wide range of climates. In the landscape, this shrub works beautifully along the front of the house as a colorful foundation plant or border accent. Its compact habit and continuous flowering make it an easy choice for gardeners who want reliable color without a lot of maintenance. Number 2. Hydrangea Bubble Bath. Hydrangea Bubble Bath is a charming new hydrangea cultivar known for its soft, airy clusters of white blooms. The flowers appear in large panicles that gradually develop a subtle blush tone as the season progresses. This gentle color shift adds a delicate elegance that works beautifully in both traditional and modern gardens. This hydrangea is bred for improved garden performance, with strong stems that hold the flowers upright even during heavy blooms. Like many panicle hydrangeas, it thrives in full sun to partial shade and adapts well to different soil conditions. Once established, it requires minimal maintenance beyond occasional pruning. In the landscape, Bubble Bath is ideal for foundation plantings or mixed shrub borders in front of the house. Its soft blooms provide a calming contrast to brighter flowers, helping create a balanced and welcoming garden design. Number 3. Hydrangea Hot Sauce. Hydrangea Hot Sauce brings a bold and energetic color palette to the garden. This cultivar produces large flower clusters with deeper pink and red tones that intensify as the blooms mature. The vibrant color makes it one of the more dramatic hydrangea introductions in recent years. Beyond its striking flowers, this shrub also offers reliable performance in a variety of garden conditions. It grows with a strong, upright habit and is known for its resilience in both warm and cooler climates. With proper sunlight and consistent watering during establishment, it quickly becomes a standout feature in the landscape. In front of house plantings, hot sauce works well as a focal shrub where its vivid blooms can draw attention from a distance. Paired with softer perennials or ornamental grasses, it helps create a dynamic garden that feels colorful and full of life. Number 4. Weigela Watermelon Kisses. Weigela Watermelon Kisses is a cheerful flowering shrub known for its bright pink blooms that resemble the color of fresh watermelon. In late spring, the branches become covered in trumpet-shaped flowers that attract hummingbirds and pollinators. The vibrant color instantly adds energy and movement to the garden. This cultivar is appreciated for its easygoing nature and reliable performance. Weigela shrubs are generally hardy, adaptable, and require very little maintenance once established. With good sunlight and occasional pruning after flowering, they continue producing healthy growth and seasonal blooms year after year. In the landscape, Watermelon Kisses works well in front-of-house beds where its bright flowers can greet visitors near entryways or walkways. It pairs nicely with perennials like salvia, catmint, or ornamental grasses, helping create a layered garden with both shrubs and flowering plants. Number 5. Hydrangea Centennial Ruby. Hydrangea Centennial Ruby introduces a rare, jewel-toned red color to the world of hydrangeas. Its rich, ruby-red flower clusters stand out strongly against green foliage, creating a dramatic focal point in summer gardens. The color intensity makes this cultivar particularly exciting for gardeners who want something different from the usual pink or blue hydrangeas. Like many modern hydrangea cultivars, Centennial Ruby is bred for improved garden performance. It has a compact growth habit that works well in smaller landscapes while still producing impressive flower displays. With proper watering during the first growing season, it becomes a dependable flowering shrub for years to come. In front of house plantings, this hydrangea works beautifully as a feature shrub in foundation beds. Its bold red blooms can anchor surrounding perennials and help create a welcoming entrance garden. Number 6. Lilac Bloomerang Ballet. Lilac Bloomerang Ballet offers something many gardeners wish traditional lilacs could do: rebloom. This cultivar produces fragrant lavender pink flowers in spring, then often flowers again later in summer. The result is a longer season of bloom compared to classic lilac varieties. Beyond its fragrance and repeat flowering, Bloomerang Ballet is also bred for improved garden adaptability. It grows with a neat, rounded habit and tolerates a variety of climates, making it a reliable shrub for many landscapes. Once established, it requires only light pruning and basic care. In the landscape, this lilac works wonderfully near pathways or front entrances where its fragrance can be appreciated. Combined with other flowering shrubs or perennials, it helps build a garden that feels both welcoming and lively. Number 7. Deutzia Yuki Kabuki. Deutzia Yuki Kabuki is a compact flowering shrub that delivers a soft yet eye-catching spring display. Its branches become covered with delicate white flowers touched with pink, creating a cloud-like effect that brightens the garden. The plant's low-growing habit makes it especially useful in smaller landscapes. This cultivar is valued for its tidy shape and low-maintenance nature. It adapts well to different soils, tolerates full sun to partial shade, and generally requires very little pruning. Once established, it forms a dense mound that keeps the border looking neat and structured. In front of house plantings, Yuki Kabuki works well along pathways or at the front of shrub borders. Its compact size allows it to blend easily with larger shrubs behind it, while still providing a beautiful layer of spring flowers. New flowering shrub cultivars like these show how modern plant breeding continues to improve our gardens. With better colors, longer blooming seasons, and more compact habits, these shrubs make it easier than ever to create beautiful landscapes. If you enjoyed discovering these new plants, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which one you'd plant in your garden.